What does an owl eat? Do you know what is an owl's diet? Well, there's one way to find out. Let's watch this barn owl cast out a pellet. There it goes. Owls can swallow small mammals in one gulp. They can't always digest all the bones, so they cast them out in a pellet. If you dissect the pellet, you can find out all about the owl's last meal. I wonder what it ate. Get ready to dissect. Collect your gloves, a toothpick, some tweezers and a magnifying glass. Be careful when you dissect. Gently probe the pellet and discover what's inside. I wonder what you'll find. Can you see something sticking out? What could it be? Wow, look at that. It's a bone of a small mammal, maybe a rat, a mouse, a shrew, or even a vole. What animal does this skeleton belong to? You guessed it, it was a fish. You might also find some fur or feathers that belong to some of the animals the owl has eaten. It's your turn to dissect your pellet. I wonder what you'll find in yours.
Muy amore.